Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a stunning motions blur effect on your photo using Hypic app. It's simple and fast and you can do it just a few steps. First, just open Hypic app like this. If you don't have it yet, just download it for free from the Play Store and then just open it and then just choose the photo that you want to edit like this. And next just tap on adjust, this one, and then go to blur, this one, and then just choose dynamic blur and then tap on unblur, and then just simply select the area around your main object where you don't want motions blur like this. And as you can see, everything outside the selections becomes beautifully blurred while your subject stays sharp. And now let's refine the look. Go to retouch and then go to relight and then just choose soft light on face and then adjust the intensity as you like. Adjust it until you're happy with the effect. For example, like this. This step will help give more depth and atmosphere to the photo. And next, just go to filters and then just scroll until you find Cyber Shot. This one. And then just adjust the intensity as you like. Just match the mood you're going for. Subtle if you want, if natural, or stronger for a more dramatic style. And finally, just go back to adjust and then just increase the brightness. Increase the brightness as you like. And then contrast. Like this. Just increase slightly to make your subject pop and bring the motions effect to life. And then when you're done, just tap on export. And okay, that's it. You have just created a cinematic motion blur photo effect in Hypic, quick and easy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.